Hey guys, I know this is a super weird place for me to be starting a video. I wasn't even going to film this. I was going to try it out before I showed it to you guys, but then I said, who the hell are you? I always do my first impressions, out the gate on film for you guys, and this video will be no different. So, hey, welcome back. If you are new here, please consider subscribing if you like nail shenanigans. And yeah, I'm not a nail tech, I'm not a nail professional, but I do like playing around with new stuff on my nails, so if you're interested in some of that, definitely consider subscribing. I already said that. It's that morning, guys. What I'm doing right now is I'm doing a couple of dips into Revel's Veronica, which is their like pure white type color. And we're gonna play with some nail foils today because I've never done it before, and I recently got in decently large order of different nail foils. So yeah, I was dying to like try them out and test them out. That's what we're gonna do. So have you guys done nail foils before? I know I had a few requests to do videos with transfer foils, and I don't know why I was nervous. I really don't. I mean, it's just nails. I keep telling myself, like, it's just nails, y'all. Nothing serious. This is supposed to be fun, right? Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I will, of course, as always, link all the products that I've used down in my description box. For those of you that have seen my Amazon favorites list and are wondering where it went, well, as it turns out, if someone buys something off of my Amazon favorites list, it disappears magically. So that was kind of a fail. So I'm just gonna go back to my old ways and just link everything individually, from where I got it. Doesn't mean that's the only place you can get it. Just where I got it. So while I am doing my dips, I do 2 dips into the Veronica and then I'll cap and clear. So while I'm doing that, I feel like there's something else I wanted to, oh yeah, just as a heads up to you guys, wanted to make sure y'all knew that I do leave links in the description box for discounts on a bunch of different stuffs. A bunch of different companies I have discount codes for. I'm not affiliated with any of them with the exception of Maniology. I do receive commissions on products purchased with my discount code for Maniology, and that is it. Sparkle & Co. and Revel and Panda Dips. Those 3 companies I'm not quote-unquote affiliated with at all, but I do get points if you use my referral links or my discount codes, which enables me to purchase more products to show to you guys. So if you use any of my referral codes or my referral links, thank you so much in advance. You guys are funding my YouTube channel and I am able to keep doing what I'm doing because of you guys, so I appreciate it if you do. Moving on, as you can see, I did the 2 dips, like I said, of the Revel Veronica. I love this pure white, by the way. It is like white, which I absolutely love. It's not like, I have a couple of other whites, like Emily by Revel is great, and that by Revel is great too. They're more on like the milky side, or they have like a pinkish undertone to them. They're gorgeous. For this, I really just wanted to use the pure French white. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna cap and clear, and I'm gonna use, again, the rest of my Chiarosky. I'm just gonna keep using my Chiarosky clear until I run out of it. I'm not gonna be repurchasing it, not because I don't like it. I love it. It's actually a really great clear dip. But I have my Mia Secret that I want to start using. I'll leave a link over here somewhere to a video I did on the Mia Secret. Oh, speaking of clear, okay. I know I had a lot of you guys asking for a clear dip comparison video, and while I would love to do that for you, and I have no problem doing it, I actually came across a video by my girl Kit Kwong. She's the Made by Kit YouTuber. And she did what, in my opinion, is probably the best, most comprehensive clear dip video. Like, whatever I would do, she already did it better. And I haven't even done a video. So I'm going to leave a link down here or up here somewhere for her clear dip comparison video. It's, like I said, super comprehensive. She put a lot of effort into it, and I really, really appreciated what she did. So I encourage you, if you're into seeing a clear dip comparison video, to definitely check that video out and show my girl Kit some love. So there's that for you. As always, please leave me a comment if there's anything specific y'all want to see going forward. I'm happy to take requests, and I do as many of them as I possibly can. I'm not a robot, I'm a human being, and I do have my own limitations, so if there's something I just can't do, I'll let you guys know I tried and I failed, and I'm sorry. But for the most part, I'm pretty good, I think, at getting your request up here in a timely fashion. And also, if you guys have any questions that you need an in-depth answer to, feel free to email me. I'll leave my email link up here on the screen as well as in my description box. It's marlakrishelp@gmail.com, and I love this platform for you guys to send me questions, because you can send me photos and videos or whatever you think might be helpful to best answer whatever technical question you have. You guys know I'm not a nail tech, I'm not a nail professional, but I do my nails often, and I have been doing them for a while with a lot of different stuff, and you guys are all here watching me do it, so I may know something about it a little bit. So feel free to shoot me an email. I just feel like email is the best place, because DMs can get lost, YouTube comments can get lost. YouTube doesn't even notify me most of the time that I have replies. Maybe it's just me and I delete stuff pretty quickly. But shoot me an email and I would love to help. So I'm going to go ahead and start filing now that I've yapped through my entire dip application. My apologies, but that's not exactly what this video is. I mean, I will leave a link for a detailed dip tutorial if that's what you guys need to see. But the focus of this video is really going to be just, on the foil application, which is super, super easy. I was definitely intimidated at first, and I was like, this sounds complicated, but it really wasn't. It's so easy. I'm going to let you guys veg out for a little bit and watch me file. I am going to use my e-file, which I know some of y'all have been missing, so we'll get into that here in a bit. But yeah, I'll throw some music on, and I'll be back with you guys in just a bit. Alright, so I've gotten my filing done, and as you guys can see, I am gradually changing my nail shape. I don't, you know what, I've done a lot of square nails, as you guys have probably seen. I've done some tapered square nails, some like coffin-y or ballerina-ish shaped nails, and one of my subscribers / followers on Instagram sent me this photo of some different nail shapes, and there were a few like crazy ones, like just bonkers. I'll put a picture in here somewhere of the screenshot she sent me. Anyway, it was actually after the fact, after all of the like, oh my god, that's a weapon, like type reaction I had to these nails, I'm like inspired to maybe do something different, because I, like most of you guys probably know, I'm kind of a creature of habit, and I stick to what I know, but I think I need a change. I need a change, especially for, summer coming up. I mean, I'm in Florida, it's like always summer here, but, for summer coming up, especially not having classes over the summer, I can be a little more daring and bold with my nails, and I want to do something super different. So over the next couple of weeks or even months, because I feel like, big nail shape changes, especially on natural nails, it can take some time. You know, you can't just reshape them and they're going to be what they are. Like for what I want to do, it's going to take a little bit of time, but y'all are going to see some gradual nail changes and we'll see what happens. Anyway, not even what I wanted to tell you. I just got distracted. I distracted myself. I don't know why. What I wanted to talk to y'all about is some of the stuff I have coming up. I was recently reached out to by Rossi. They asked me to do a review, so I will be doing that hopefully in the near future. Also, I was reached out to, well, actually I wasn't, back up. I had a subscriber request to do this like mystery. My cat just knocked something crazy over in the kitchen. I don't know what it was. I don't even know if you guys heard that. I heard that. It was super loud. I'm afraid to even go over there and see what it was. Anyway, one of my subscribers mentioned this mystery box. And so I ordered this mystery box. What company was it from? Hang on. Had to go look at my emails. It was a company called Beyond Polish. And from what I could see on their website, they have a lot of brands that they sell, and they do these like mystery boxes that can be like dip and gel, and they have companies like Revel and you know, all sorts of stuff. So I was like, heck yeah, I'm into a mystery box. And they were not very expensive. You know, I'll give you all the details when I eventually upload that video or film that video for that matter. I'm still waiting for my products to come. But after I had placed an order, I was contacted by the marketing manager for the company, who was very sweet. And so I guess we're partnering up a little bit, and I'm going to do a little collab with them, which may involve something for you guys. So definitely stick around. If you guys haven't subscribed or hit that notification bell yet, you may want to, because I definitely have some awesome stuff coming up in the very near future. Also, I'm not sure what I'm going to be as far as subscribers are concerned when I upload this, because I do film in advance, you guys know. So this video is still a few weeks out from being uploaded, but I really do want to do a giveaway for every 1,000 subscribers that I get until I hit 10K. So my 4K may be on the horizon here. And I do have some other fun giveaway stuff that I want to do for you guys. Another thing that I have coming up, I know a lot of you keep asking me about starter kits. And while I'm not a huge advocate for starter kits, I just don't think they're worth it sometimes when you can, because I mix and match my stuff a lot. You guys know that. I use triple vitamin liquid almost exclusively. Sometimes I use Peppy Gel, which I like. I just find triple vitamin to be a little less finicky and easier to work with sometimes, but I love the Peppy Gel liquids too. I've used Stipalicious a lot. I love those for glitters. Some other, like Sparkle & Co., not bad liquids. Like, I haven't found really bad liquids. And I've heard some stuff about Revel Nail that I wasn't super happy about hearing, but I've never tried them. So I will be trying out their liquids, and I'll be doing a first impressions review for you guys. But on with the nail foils. So you do have to buy these things separate on Amazon. The foils were a separate purchase, and the foil glue was a separate purchase. So I don't know if that makes a difference for you guys. I'll leave everything in the description box. I'm not sure what the price points were on them, but I'll leave that info in the box thing down there, you know. So for the foils, again, I did want to, pre-read the instructions, and everything seems super simplistic. All you have to do with the foil stuff and things is you apply this foil glue to, whatever part of your nail you want the foils to stick on, and then you put the stuff on, you cure it, and that's what it looks like. I wanted to do one to check it out and see how it was, so I can, give you a little bit of an update when I do the second one. Literally, you put the foil glue on. I'm picking out which I want to place on my nail first. I try to always think a step ahead, so I wanted the butterflies specifically. I'm just chopping off a piece of the foil. I'll reserve it over here. Put the glue on. Cure it for, I think I cured it for like 60 seconds. May have been 30, I could be lying to you. Probably 60 though. Cure it, and then you don't stick this down unless you know exactly where you want to put it, because the second the foil touches your nail with the nail glue on it, the foil glue rather, it's going to stay, and that's where it's going to go. So think ahead and go slow. But it was really so dang easy. I couldn't get over it. I'm like, that's it. You do have to like push it down a little bit. I didn't use a tool. I used just my finger and like my fingernail to you know, really smooth it out a little bit because your nail's curved and paper is flat, and you know how that goes. You may get a crease here and there, but I feel like it applied really nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cured up, and you'll see me stick on this foil. So I'm gonna stop talking for just a minute, and I will be right back with final thoughts. So, any thoughts? What did you guys think? To be perfectly honest, because this is first impressions and I want to give you my honest feedback, this was hella easy and I would absolutely use this stuff again. I'm still wearing it right now. I've had zero lifting or peeling of, you know, anything. Like the foil glue is fine. The foils are fine. I've had no problems. I've only had it on for a couple of days, but so far so good. Zero complaints. Have you guys had experiences with foils and foil glue stuff? You know, let me know what kind of experiences you guys have had with it. So just top coated, gonna cure, and then I'm gonna put on my cuticle oil like I always do. And I will have everything that I use listed in the description box. Let me know if you guys have any other fun stuff that you know of that you want me to play with. I'm always down to try new things within reason. So definitely let me know. If you have any questions, definitely shoot me an email. Again, marlakrishelp@gmail.com. I'll leave it in the description box for you. And I will see you all in my next vid. Love you, bye.